So hi everyone, first of all, how is the preparation dreamers? I hope you must be enjoying this phase and some of you must be nervous that what will happen, how to approach the exam. All of a sudden the exam gets postponed and then a new trend. So many of you must be in tension. So first of all, let me assure that all the dreamers who have been studying from the PrepLadder NEET SS course, they need not worry because we have taken that majority of this trouble for you and we have curated the course in such a way that will actually boost your preparation. So one very important thing for the last moment, that do not revise anything which you have not studied. Revise the content which you have actually studied and just concentrate on the basics. Do go through the MCQ series that we have started on the PrepLadder NEET SS app and do make the revision regularly. One more very important thing is the treasure. All the treasures are beautifully crafted and they are actually going to summarize the basics for you. Now let me tell you what to study, what not to study. Do not go into the depth of each and every topic, since this year you are having a general surgery, or you can say surgery per se as a subject. You will not be having a sub-feeder exam. So just concentrate on the basics, just go through, brush up the notes. If you have the recordeds, yes, go through them at 1x or 2x. Just try to listen and revise the treasures, the last minute points that we have created for you. And please, the MCQs, the clinical MCQs that we have created, they are very, very important for you. Do not take any stress. Stress is going to reduce down your performance, and just trust yourself. We at PrepLadder have done a lot for you, lot of homework for you. And if you have actually gone through that curriculum that we have created for you this year, that is more than sufficient. So yes, don't revise anything new. Just revise the things which you have studied. Give a quick reading. Don't read everything in detail now. Give a quick reading, go through the treasures, and definitely I know you all will ace in your exam and you will get the specialities, the super specialities basically, which you have ever dreamt of. So what are you waiting? Don't take any tension. Just give your exam and come out with flying colors. All the best from my side.